Okay, so I'm doing a tutorial on how to use the remove hidden stitches. There's plenty of them out there, Red, White, and Leaves. However, I ran into a little bit of a question when it came to the remove hidden stitches. You can see I have applique objects here over a column stitch here. The logs are the column stitch. And at first I couldn't get anything. And watching one of their videos, I realized that indeed these need to be, we need to add some, be in the create menu and create begin new design so that each object of layers will be in a separate subject object over here. So see here, they're all together and as one object under one heading. So we're going to add 2 new designs, and then we're going to grab this one and drag it down here. And when you want to grab these and just drag, click the first one, shift, hold the shift, left click, do not let go of that left click, and move it down. If you let go of the left click, it will not drag. So now you can see that we have the fire flame pieces that are all behind, the wood that's behind, then the flames, and then the top piece of wood. They're all as separate object layers. So now when I go over here, and you got to click off create, and you go to the remove hidden stitches button, you can see with this one that I've taken the applique material out just so you can see that there is some stitches gone, but there are some stitches that are still there. And if we move this one here, you can see that the stitches are still there. Now I've got to Control Z that to put it back. And again, once you Control Z, it shows them back in. So we'll cut those back out. And you're thinking, okay, why are they all under here and why are they still here? I figured this out. The reason is because it's a column stitch. It goes from here to here. Because you can see this stitch down here, it has to put the whole stitch in, so that's why these are all here. So these stitches, the whole stitch is not shown, so they can remove them. Behind this leaf, all of the stitches on this side are shown right here, and all of the stitches on the other side are shown here. So none of the stitches can be removed because some little tiny portion of all the stitches is still visible. So it doesn't cut them short. If I wanted to cut them short, there's a couple different things I could do. I could go here, and instead of a column stitch, go back to the create menu, I could tell it that these logs are going to be a fill instead. If I do that and go click off create, click back here, and now I remove hidden stitches. Oh, well, that was surprising. I had thought that that would actually remove all those stitches because they're all separate stitches. So yeah, don't really know what to tell you on that. I'll have to work more on that. But the column stitch I understand. This one I'm not understanding. So if anybody has any ideas, let me know.